Our internationally acclaimed artist, Dejour, is live with us. Good evening to you, sir. Welcome to our studios.
Manners and respect, brother. Thanks for having me.
I mean, respect our mother's company
Yeah,
girl.
man.
You know, you're a yard man in your company girl, you know.
You know the thing, man. We're there, man. Yard man in them town, though.
Of course. I
Ready
see you
up.
going with a bag of things.
Yeah, bro. I feel, you know. We love the music, you know, bro. Love it, you know. It's a deep passion, man. So you don't know our time to fix things. So we're there, do it now, though.
I mean, respect and manners. But for everyone that's watching, don't know anything about you and your music, can you just introduce yourself for me, please?
My name is Dejour Gardner. I am a Jamaican singer, songwriter, producer, musician. Yeah.
Okay.
Like that.
That's how it stop,
That's how it stop.
which is right.
Anything else you want to know, you ask me now.
Okay, so I like how you categorize yourself as a singer and not just because most artists don't like to they say the boxing themselves, but I think it's a good idea. People know who you are, so
Yeah, but me now, I don't really box myself because who I am is a variety of different sounds,
yeah,
you know. So yeah, that's not a box.
But you are a singer.
you're a
Yeah,
singer. Makes
I'm a
sense.
singer. Yeah, bro.
And where in Jamaica you located?
I'm from Spanish Town, Jamaica, a place called Big Up Spanish Town, a place called Lariston. Big Up Lariston, you know the thing off Tamsupen, you know the thing.
Yeah. Boy, Spanish Town Prince some champion, you know,
Yeah, bro. Champion. You know the works, man.
which is right. And what's the occasion you being in the UK?
Come again.
What's the occasion for you being here in the UK?
Shows, bro. I'm connecting with my fans.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I'm coming here for do some show, G.
Me see you upon Carnival.
Yeah.
Explain the connection there for me, cause me see you going with some holy person upon
Yo,
Carnival.
honestly, I was brought here to perform at Island Wine.
Yeah.
That's Caribbean party, super night and the whole world. Big up on yourself.
Big up
But
Super Night, you really out.
You don't know me come here and I realize say the fans them know me on a level and know my song, so you don't know me that for there everywhere. You see me? Carnival, big up to Chillery for carrying me out.
Yeah, big up
You know
to
what I mean?
Triller. We have words.
Yeah,
we need
yeah.
to have words.
You
in
need
the
to have
Triller.
a talk.
Yeah,
Chillery, we
big up
need-
Chillery.
Good
You don't know.
bad girl, Triller. Yeah, I like it. I like your because when you listen to your music
Yeah.
and then you talk to you, it's kind of I don't know. I don't want to sound like as it's rude, but it's you kind of sound the music. Wouldn't say it doesn't fit your look.
Yeah, I get that a lot though. Nothing wrong with that. Them always say me no look like home son.
Yeah.
All right, cause you see the man coming in the studio.
Yeah.
They are bro. You
Yeah,
know.
good day, man. I want DG. Me must say.
Then let me introduce him name. My name is Dejour.
Dejour.
How we get them nice boy name there?
You
Eh?
don't know
Dejour.
we are yo, it's a style, man, G. When we are talking, we have to speak so the people them can understand, fam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the
But
songs
you
that
don't
you
know-
do,
Huh?
the songs that when you do the solid songs.
Yeah, give thanks, bro.
I was
Give thanks.
I was watching too. It's quite raunchy though. The
Give
latest
thanks.
single.
Yeah.
I like that one there.
Yeah, what? Which one that?
The one me find the name. I can't go lie now. Cause I tell them I post it.
Proper
on my
touch.
file. Me I got tell the right name. So I don't want to
Tell
tell
me
them
the name,
live.
G.
Cause
Don't tell me the lie, you know.
while I'm up on the live, and
Yeah.
people
Oh,
are gonna say, yo,
the one there with the chick. Oh, the one where you say remix the Cranium song.
yes.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
one.
Where you
Rock
say with
Steady.
the-
Rock-
Yeah.
that- that's
Rocksteady.
that's a banger, man. Don't worry
Sometimes
yourself.
the DJ drop the cranium
Song,
song.
yeah.
Nobody enough, you know. I
Yeah.
man, give thanks, bro.
From here, that song, let me know
Yeah.
like that song is a hit.
Yeah, give thanks, my fam. Una push it.
But yeah,
Don't worry
man.
yourself,
Give
man.
thanks,
It's
man.
it's in the juggling.
Definitely, big up, big up.
So who you working with like producer wise?
I'm a producer myself, but I work with a different wide varieties of producers, both locally and internationally.
So you
I have a producer from Japan by the name of Rida.
Mm.
I have producers in Jamaica, Marcus, Andrew Blacks.
Yeah.
You know the whole works, man, you see me? And over here, Machine Man Tim, you don't know, we have Dutchy from Duke's Music, a lot of different producers, bro. I feel like it's good to have a lot of varieties in your thing, brother. The more minds will have a few things, a better sound, though.
Of course.
Yeah.
So you produce all your music, like the ones your songs yourself, like
No. Like different producers produce them. Like Rocksteady was produced by the Japanese dancehall producer Rida.
Okay,
Yeah.
makes sense. So
Yeah,
you
man,
connect with
brother.
Japan as well.
Yeah, man, my fam. He's actually one of the first producers who actually reach out to me, you know.
Mm,
Me are the only artist him work with when him come to Jamaica.
that makes.
Yeah, it's a really, really
Good
nice
connection,
youth,
that.
man. It's a blessing, bro. It's a blessing, fam.
So how you started into this game? What propelled you into the music side? Were you always brought up in as a family? Did your family do it?
I don't know anybody in my family who can sing, but I've always been singing since I was young. Ever since I could talk, I've been singing. My auntie now, she's an entertainer, she's a dancer. Her name is Stacey Expressions. I don't know if you know her.
Stacey
Dance
yeah,
Expression.
man.
Yeah.
She's my auntie. You know what I mean? So she's a dancer, she's not a singer.
Yeah.
But I've always been singing, and growing up, left high school, do a performing course at UTech. Then I enter the competition called KFC on the Verge. I don't know if you know it still.
No, I
The
don't
whole,
know that.
you know YVAs.
Yeah, me know YVM, me know
Yeah.
KFC and the Verge, but
Yeah.
it's not a big thing island wide. It's more
It's
for
for
town.
No man, let me tell you why me say it big, because the whole YVAs thing big though.
Yeah, the whole
Exactly.
Youth Viewer Awards
It's
is big,
and
but
that's a competition affiliated with that.
and I know the
So
affiliation.
basically the competition is for find a artist or a act to perform at the YVAs.
Yeah, but-
So the YVAs are really the thing still.
What I'm trying to say about that, like
Yeah.
some of these competition, they're not for the rural area in Jamaica.
Yeah.
They're most Kingston based.
Oh, yeah,
If you're
yeah.
not from the corporate sector,
Yeah.
you won't have a clue about
A
it. If
clue,
you're
yeah.
from
No,
Montego Bay,
Yeah.
Saint and St.
Yeah,
Mary,
yeah,
Portland,
yeah.
you won't be affiliated in that
Yeah,
crowd.
yeah,
You'll be
yeah.
left out. That's why I'm saying it's not big. When you're talking about like things like that, we're talking about like Rising Star, Magnum King and Queens,
Yeah.
where actually do an island tour.
Yeah. But the thing is with On The Verge now, brother, it's still big enough. I don't want you small up the thing.
And
Hold on, man, let me explain.
really
man.
up to man
It's still
thing,
big
you know.
enough. I'm gonna tell you why it's big. It come on TV too, brother.
Mm.
It's just that we never have no big phone company or no big sponsorship. We only have KFC and a few people come together and say they might try to find an artist. But it come on TV too. It get the proper promotion and YVAs. What bigger than YVAs, brother? Like everybody come at YVAs. The top acts them, brother. I see Sean Paul and Shaggy at the YVAs. I perform in front of them Monday and see them stand up on them feet. I was blank.
Yeah.
That was epic, brother. So when him say that now, it sound like him a small up the thing, man. Family,
No,
man.
I'm not small
You
of
see
the
me?
thing. I'm just making it known that it's for acts in the corporate area.
Yeah, me get where you come
Yeah,
from
man,
still.
yeah,
Me
it
get where
must-
you are come from still.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
But
yeah, man, big up On The Verge, big up the thing, man. That really give me the confidence. I'm gonna know say, yo, Dejour for do this. Dejour out there. Dejour for the people. You see me?
what you like more, the streets performing or the studio? Cause
I love the studio. Love the studio. I like create music. That are the best part of doing music for
Can
me.
you play any instruments? Or
Yeah,
anything?
I play the guitar.
I figured.
Guitar, I can do a little keyboard.
You can do a 1-2 key.
Yeah, I want to key, you know.
So
Yeah.
which one of the tracks that you done? That's where
I'ma play.
you find alright. Give me something where you play upon, like one of the tracks when you play upon.
You find like a melody in the creation of the
Alright,
rhythm.
Bonner man. Like you see me, you know, bro, me at level do no still. Me play like a very crucial part in creating my music. I'm like the overseer.
Yeah.
If man I like it, it nah go out. You see me? So Bonner man now,
Perfectionist.
yeah, me take like extreme pride in my thing, G. That's why I understand it's a deep passion, you see me?
Mm.
Bonner man now, me play the guitar in that. You know Bonner man?
No, I don't know.
No, I don't know
You need
that
to listen
song.
to Bonner man still.
To be honest, you know,
Guys, you don't even listen to Bonner
Yeah.
man. Yeah.
big up Marley.
Yeah.
'cause Marley,
Big up Marley. You
'cause
don't know.
Marley kind of give me the highlight.
Yeah,
and say, yo,
definitely. Big up
It's
man
alright.
is my G, bro.
Because I never heard about you a long time ago. I
No.
recently heard of you and I recently start, what you call it, do a crash course.
Yeah, I know more.
And I start like tuning into some of your works and I say,
Yeah.
it's a good artist.
Yeah,
you have
thanks,
a lot
bro.
of talent.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
bro.
you have
Thank you so
that's
much.
this is the thing with Jamaica. There's so
Yeah.
many good artists
Yeah,
there.
bro.
Because you as an artist, your materials are good. I work them online and I look at the
Thanks a
videos
lot,
them and the
fam.
songs, them solid
Thanks a lot.
songs. But we not hear anything about you because the market is so
Jamaica.
is
Yeah,
so saturated.
and it's difficult to get inside too, you know.
And your material,
Mm.
if you're not affiliated, I should say, with some of like a Romian Virgo or Christopher Martin,
Mhm.
it'd be kind of hard to get your sound out there because you're a singer.
Yeah.
You're not a hardcore DJ
Mhm.
where I sing those kind of materials, so it's kind of hard for somebody pick you up off the street, like for instance, like a boom boom in Uptown Monday to see you and say, yo, may I run with a youth? I kind of it's more difficult because you're a singer.
It's not gonna
So
But
it's more
I-
likely the lazy
yeah.
man for just see your sound and just say, yo, may I run with a youth? Yeah.
Yeah, for real, bro. For
Because
real, I agree.
So alright, like how everybody know at Jamaica, the six them hot and up Gaza hot. What's your affiliation with? What's your crew? What's your team?
I don't have a team. I'm just Dejour, bro. I'm just a singer. doing music. I love music. I'm not gonna stop do it regardless of who at or who not at. I just do music because I love it.
No, we just ask that because most of the artists them we see recently, everybody have a crew or a clique or a team.
Yeah,
or
okay,
whatever.
okay. Like me, I don't see myself as that type of artist still, you know what I mean? Me is just a music lover, brother. You know, me I give it to you real. Me not have like a entourage or a as you say, my thing not really they are Jamaica like that. But me have a little thing, I know a 1 and 2 man over here so or 1 man over here so hear me thing. So I just do it. I go around and I spread the music till everybody know Dejour. I respect Dejour as a musician.
We have a message.
So as though you're talking about spreading the music, there's anything up and coming, or any up and coming collab, I should say, with any UK based acts?
Yeah man, I say man, brother, I've been here for like 2 weeks now and I do I have a song with Chillery, big up Chillery Banks. I have a song with Chillery and then I have a next song with Chillery Banks and J Kaz.
Yeah,
I have a song with the great Marley. So we shoot the video Sunday.
Mastermind,
So
yeah.
that should be hot because you know
What?
like Chillery Banks them
Yeah.
going hard when they come on to the bars business
Yeah.
and like really
The whole of them bad,
melodious voice on it.
Yeah, give
We
thanks
can
to
just
family.
tell the little
Yeah, give thanks, bro. The whole of them tough, man. And the song with Marley, I want to look out for it. We shoot the video for it Sunday too.
You know we are going
You see me?
involved.
Yeah, man, you know the thing, man.
I'm my general lad.
Yeah.
We have a message to give you when you go back to Jamaica.
Yeah,
Yeah,
my fam.
You see, all the artists them, you see, when you see them forward at England,
Mhm.
tell them if you go up on the ground and nobody run, go up on the big boy them alone. Them if you follow the little small man them run the town because
Yeah.
we are drop the songs them,
Yeah,
yeah?
definitely. But sooner
for
or
them-
later, them are going to understand still,
No,
you know,
not
bro.
for them to know. When them come
Them
over
know.
here, them feel
Them-
like say I just want
Watch
place
on
them need to go.
watch on my family. You have to understand now, innit? You see, most of these artists now, don't get me wrong, man, I disrespect nobody, and I bash nobody.
Yeah.
It's a hype thing, brother.
You're right.
The whole entertainment is about hype.
Mm.
So, certain man now go and do certain things. If you get what I say, bro.
Get what
Certain
you
man
say.
now you can't go to certain man with certain things.
But
G.
we
So right now, for me not really watch no man, brother. Me not really link with nobody like that. Me just me, G.
Me
Because-
like, yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
me I do the right thing, you know. Am I not doing the right thing?
Yeah, I did the right
As,
I
thing.
don't love me, I didn't
as,
even
what,
know,
as
fam.
what are you saying? Like certain man is all about the hype, and
Yeah.
over the year I watched this music thing change. Back in the days, basically, when artists real pass through them little hot spot or little chill area,
Mhm.
you know, put down 1-2 bar, then go on about them business.
Yeah.
You don't see them thing there anymore because what a man feel like say he's too big on that when him come here if stay exclusive.
Mhm.
More lock up in a motel room for 3-4 years, bad not see him.
Hype
Then him
thing,
go up
man.
like, yo, you have to come underground. So my time you have to make people
Bro.
see you.
Yep.
If you appreciate your
Yeah.
work and what you put in. You
Bro,
understand?
My mama tell you, man. You see me now. That's why me I gotta have a different respect comparing to everybody. Because you see me now, I appreciate everybody, big or small. So no matter how far Dejour reach, me I gotta always come back at the radio station and come link the man them. Because when I play music, and I love music, when I deal with music, so why me for just left on out?
True that.
You see what me I say, brother? Me not med so G. Me I really with bad man.
Of course.
Really with my family.
Definitely. Spanish Town own, you know,
Yeah.
the man from me nah go say Gaza City or Spain
Big up
City.
Gaza still, man. How you say, man? Big up the whole team. Big up the
What's
whole
up?
Jamaica.
Ras-
the six,
Rasta
them, the
say-
whole-
Oh
Laristan.
Larry the forward from?
Yeah.
no, me ask you what town you say a while ago. No, I think you say a your town.
Spain town.
Spain Town.
Okay.
But anyway, people, if you're just joining us, we're live inside the studio. Dejour is here live on our set this evening. It's approximately 25 minutes coming up at 10. You know, I would just feel like we're going to vibe with the artists, you know, because we're there and everything good. Dragon is here, back from holiday, raining. You know, the party of film segment. You know, Dragon,
Yeah,
you
so
stay.
Dejour,
Yeah.
like you've been putting in the work, you say your preferable space is the studio. So now we're in a studio, so now this is the part where it's a
Good.
freestyle because we're not going to pay no money, you know, we're not paying nobody will come up here still. So
God, I want
you
to
know,
tell you some kind of the flow still. now,
just
but
put
drop
on
it
some
still.
freestyle,
Nah,
I drop a
stop me.
beat.
You can't sit down and stand up and which one you feel
Nah,
like.
man, drop the rhythm, man.
Alright, cool.
No. Yeah. Watch out now. Wake up. Give me some volume on the mic now. Ready now. Watch your style now. Alright then, so then. Wake up. Positive vibe. I want to live a positive life. Hello, tell my neighbors morning. Why? Even though them bad mind, yo, yeah, me feel like I call two girls one time, same time, studio, go link Molly, but spit some rhymes. Yeah, me feel for some high grade. But I'm not a smoker. Me feel like for laugh out loud. Yeah, next rhythm, John. Alright. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, alright. 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 You ready? Freestyle. Hey, some go so then drop the beat. Be ready for speak. Get ready for clap or get ready for leave. Yeah, my thing shot. My tick wrong repeat. Me can't flop because the girl them love me. I said the words them in my song, just put the girls them in them tongue. Say she have a man, but him a not the one. Me feature on the song and it was like my Trojan. Mali, that girl I didn't even know a man. Eh. I feel like for sing for the one I know, no. Feel like for sing for the one I know, no. All of my sexy ladies, oh no. Hey, watch your style now. Alright then, tell you something. When you bend over me, I feel come closer. Are you listening? Loving your body, so give me a feature. Anticipating, anxious for your body, so don't keep me waiting. More than amazing, and now you got me saying, you me feel like would I left my girl for you? Girl, you're so good. Girl, you're so good. Would feel like would I left my girl for you? So good. Girl, you're so. Watch your style now. Baby girl, how you give me that fuck? Yeah, me. Yo, the DJ are bad.
Man, just give it flow, man. Live in the mix.
Hey,
yeah.
Show me name Dejour. Last name Gardner. The girl them said them want a real farmer. Plant the seed in a them G counter. Girl stop right there and come up her. Hey, me want to tell you something nice. Me love the way your body fitting in your tight. Hey, hey, got me nice. Hey, me love the way you watch you now. Touch down, chop top. Girl see me and a job frack. Any see me a sip and relax back. You me feel for your pic fi put that on Snapchat for you watch that. Come from far now me reach at the. Plus I try freestyle some things, you know, bro.
What do you think when they're live?
Alright then, all of my ladies, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Watch your style now. Me say knock knock, pull the door for your bonner man. Let me touch your body right when your man gone. When you're lonely, pick up your phone and phone me. And me big you too. You tell me say your man nah touch you right easy, baby. Coming like them all girls start and stop. No, yeah, alright. Yeah, yeah. The amount of song me haven't even know if to sing, brother. Alright then, hey. Now no man as if you not talk no dollars. Rings more than 14 commas. Jeez, believe me, me fresh like the breeze. Girl them a swarm like rat for the cheese, yeah. See they know, where me get my shoes. Chain blind the bug of them, where me get my jewels. And my name them a call pan news. Is a big fat check me donate to a school. Cause all me want is a piece of the pie there. All me want is a visa fi fly away. I fi make it, nah stop try yeah. I fi make it to London one day. All me want is a piece of that. Watch it. Alright. Hey, watch your style now. Hey, I me say can't talk to me if you not talk no dollars. Tired of poverty, me want see commas. Straight for the gold man a baller. No one day me a go rich like Donald. Can't talk to me if you not talk no dollars. Tired of poverty, me want see commas. Straight for the gold man a baller. Can't sing to the girl them. That body there deserve a proper touch. Turn that way for me. Me say your body just unpretty, clean and
Jack and stop.
No, he sing about. We can't sing. Remember, we not pay the man the money. We can't sing with that man vice back, so we not pay him the money, you know.
The man is a sip. I want to take off for the water, yeah, man. I'm ready again, man.
Me know me like the new layout Rasta. Rasta, me like, you know what me I say. Me like the new layout. Yeah, good. Big up the artists. People remember Dejour. Look like him ready again. You ready again? Are you still on there? Are you want to take a little break? I don't know what you can cry create, you know.
We
have 3 minutes left. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Drop one sit, man. We could go on, man.
Let me Dejour sing one song for them girls. See? So
yeah.
Sing one song for them girls now.
Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. No, 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 no. For ladies. Watch it. Watch you now. The door them closed and we are all alone. Make me put the silence on my iPhone. When I want no interruption, baby. Give it to me. Never know you woulda give it up so fast. Say you wanna find out how long I would last. Watch it, pull it just on the bed, on the floor, me I could kill you. She a ball and a beg, she never know my skills, so then me hear she scream, let me in. Watch her now. When the nature call, I mean she want call. Me a boss, hear her ball, them hear her ball. For this.
I'm gonna go over far, you know.
Alright, what have it, man, brother? Alright then. Hey. What me can say so? Freestyle? She want a new flame, she can matches. That's like a rocket. And hey!
Yeah! Over one part!
Going night!
Go to this.
Hold on, something that going on. Yo, this bad, you know.
I mean,
man, give
love
thanks
that.
to family, man.
I like a freestyle extra something.
Yeah,
You
man,
know
have
we
the
go.
flow, but man, now make it all my back, man, brother. We're there to do it down.
Give thanks to the strength
man,
and give thanks to the.
you too.
Of course,
Yeah.
man has to pass
Definitely,
through.
brother.
And people, give us some socials again before we cut.
Real Dejour.
That's
On
all.
Instagram, I really use Instagram the most. I know I'm supposed to use Twitter and Snapchat.
Me and your brother, but I use Twitter. Snapchat, man.
Yeah.
Can't manage it.
Why? Me no know.
Why
Me
we
feel
can't
like my
use
money
one?
reach Twitter yet. Cause me feel like you have to have a different style money for go over there something. Cause me not
Yeah.
understand it, brother.
Yeah.
Me not know a different money over Twitter.
Lord,
But
that's
yeah,
something, the brother.
Most of my social media handles are real Dejour. That's RealDejour.
Respect them,
Ladies, follow me. Yeah, I follow on the back.
which is right.
That's
And
it,
remember,
yeah.
people, if you like the freestyle, you're going to be on our channels. Go on our YouTube channel. It's called Upnlive Show. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, by Vas Prince as well. And we are here each and every Tuesday, 9 p.m. on TGM Radio. The new single out right now by Dejour is...
Enough
The single name Rocksteady, man. That one.
That way
I
people say that.
I don't know. Alright.
Rocksteady, alright.
The new single out for Dejour is called Rocksteady.
Yes.
Where can people get it?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. So you can Spotify, Amazon, Tidal. You can
Amazon.
go on Amazon.
Amazon was remix.
Anyway, you don't know what I'm talking about. Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, you know, iTunes, anywhere
Google
music they
Play,
sell, you
everything,
can go
bro.
buy it.
Definitely.
Saying?
Of course.
So go out and check out that something there.
Yeah.
That's
Respect.
Dejour. Right now, what Dejour the girl them man. So right now, ladies, if you sleep on the road, just tell him.
Yeah, I mean.